It's all happening today. It's my birthday today. Turned 30. You can probably still hear the puppies in the background. My dog had a litter of 3 puppies. Pretty small litter, but it was her first litter, so pretty busy taking care of them right now. So yeah, 30 years old today. I feel kind of a little bit old in the spectrum of the style of music that I make, but I think my perspective on it is like when I'm like 60 or 70 years old, I still want to be making music. That music will probably evolve, but I have kind of the mindset that like age is not really existent in a way. Like I still feel the same age as I was when I was like 16 years old. I still feel in myself, in my body, like I feel like I take care of myself. So yeah, I still feel young and lively, and I hope to keep that up. So anyway, let's jump into this. I actually found this morning. I was looking for a new like PCM style synth, you know, like a Purity, Xenology, Korg Triton. I wanted to try out something new. So I was searching for PCM, and then I ended up finding this. This is a bit reduction unit, retro decimator unit. This is actually free, and I'm going to link it. I should have been already doing this, so from now on I'm going to link like all of my VSTs, because like a few people have been commenting and asking for links to the plugin. Of course, I only just opened it up and played with it for like 10 minutes, but it sounded really good. I'm going to mix it with a PCM. It sounds retro, and it's got a couple settings. So it says here, this is a tribute to Sega Genesis, or Sega Genesis, I don't know, wherever you're from. So the legacy setting is apparently modeled after the Sega Genesis, the Model 1 amp output circuitry. Then we've also got this crystal clear mode, which is like a just like a digital setting. We can also change to this rack design if we want, but I think I like this other one better. Then we've got this DAC prescaler, so digital to analog converter. We've got 32 steps of 8-bit decimation. So yeah, anyway, enough talking about it, and let's just make something cool. I'm going to run with the legacy just so that we can get that Sega Genesis like sound. So I'm just going to run you through this really quickly. I obviously do this like a lot in case people want to recreate it and weren't sure, because I kind of move through it quickly. Once you've recorded your melody, you've got like the audio. I just create like a MIDI track. So you grab your audio and drop it in, and then it's just in this like simpler. You hit slice. I usually just go beat, and then it's divided by quarter. Mono playback. I feel like when I layer this over the top of the pre-existing melody, if it's in mono, it sort of cuts through the mix a little bit better, because when it's in stereo, it's a little bit like flooded in a way. Something that I like to do is if you go into this control, you can hit randomize pan, and I set it around like 20% or something, maybe even 50%, and it just kind of scatters it around. But because it's in mono, it's more of like you can really pinpoint the signal, and like I said, it just kind of cuts through the pre-existing melody that's already there. The next step that I like to do is transpose it up an octave. Generally sounds good, and then if it's a little bit too like harsh for your liking, you can just use this filter and just drag it back, usually, you know, around like 1k or something. It sounds good. I need to just like bump the resonance a little bit so it just pokes through. But then once you play it back, it just sounds great every time. So that's why I do it all the time. Just recycles my melody, gives you really interesting textures, and it just sounds very unique. So So that's the extent of it. Go check out the description if you want to cop this plugin. It's not sponsored or anything. I just thought it was really good quality and it's free as well. If you want to cop this project file, a really great way to support the channel is to subscribe to my Patreon. I upload all of my project files there along with my stash kit as well. It's all included in the membership. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.